Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rizal Wijaya. I'm from Accounting Study Program 23. In this presentation is behavioral theories in accounting. Refer to set approach that examine how human behavior influence accounting practice, decision-making process, and the use financial information. Unlike traditional accounting theories that assume individual act rationally and objectively, behavioral accounting categories that physical, social, and emotional factor of shape how accounting information is prepared and used. This perspective is important because accounting is not only merely a technical process of recording numbers, but also a social activity involving human judgment, perception, and interaction within organization. At its core, behavioral accounting is rooted in discipline such as psychology and behavioral economics, which explain that individuals are not only fully rational when making decisions. In accounting tech context, manager, auditor, and accountant may be influenced by cognitive bias, personal incentives, and organizational pressure. For example, a manager might manipulate earnings to meet performance target, or an auditor might rely too heavily on prior experience when evaluating financial statement. This behavior highlight that accounting outcome can be affected by subjective human factor, not just objective financial data. One key concept behavioral accounting is cognitive bias, which refers to systematic patterns of deviation from rational judgment. Bias such as overconfidence occurring and hindsight bias can significant influence accounting decision. Overconfidence may lead manager to underestimate risks in financial reporting, while occurring can cause accountant to rely too heavily on initial estimate when making judgment. High hindsight bias, often described as the "I knew it long" effect, may lead individual to believe that past financial outcomes were predictable when uh, uncertainty was high at the time decisions were made. This bias can reduce the quality and reliability of accounting information. Another important aspect of behavioral theories in accounting is motivation and incentive. In many organizations, performance evaluating and compensation system are closely tied to accounting figures such as profit, revenue, of return on asset. This creates incentives for individuals to act in way that may not only align with the true financial condition of the company. For instance, manager may judge in earning management to achieve bonus target to present a more favorable financial position to investor. Behavioral accounting studies how this incentive influence decision making and how control system can be designed to opportunistic behavior. Behavioral theories also emphasize the role of organizational culture and social influence. The environment in which accountant and manager operate can shape their ethical standard and professional behavior. A strong ethical culture encourages transparency, accountability, and integrity in financial reporting. While a weak and anti anti ethical culture may tolerate manipulation and fraud. Social pressure, such as expectation from superior or peers, can also affect accounting decision. For example, an accountant may feel pressure to adjust financial report to meet management expectation, even if it conflict with professional standard. Thank you for listening my presentation. Goodbye.